Hello, you trader nerds. I am Sweet Bobby, and all of you have a homework assignment. You are required to go to tastylive.com and watch the two segments on the Liz and Jenny show today. Tony from Mexico was on there, and he did his 111 trade, which was really, really good. And then he did the 441, and he did a ratio spread. And then he talked about SPY, and you are required to watch it. And it will be, you will thank me. You will come back and say, Bobby, how much do I owe you for telling you to watch that? Two really good segments. So that's your homework. Tasty Live, watch the Liz and Jenny show with Liz and Tony from Mexico on October the 18th in the year of our Lord 2023. You'll be glad you did. The market was down almost 0.75% a while ago. So we are down. We've got Papal over at Israel, probably trying to keep Israel from leveling the little Gaza Strip there. And we got people blaming Israel for blowing up the hospital. And then Israel's got proof that it was not them blowing up the hospital. And everybody's pissed off and upset and fighting one another. And it's just a bunch of garbage. And thank goodness we've got wonderful leadership here in the United States. Pardon me. Anyway, the wonderful leadership we have is surely going to guide us through everything, and everything's going to be just fine. All right, so the VIX is at 19 even today, AD negative 272, but it looks like it has found a bottom and found a low of the day where the AD found a bottom, and now it is upticking. We shall see if it overcomes the overnight low in VWAP or if it hits it and pops back down. Let's go to the volume. Volume is elevated today, so everybody is scared. Everybody's worried about Papal being in the Middle East. And I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Let's look at the Big Green Monster really quick. Big Green Monster looks like just what I told you yesterday. We were at the point of the control. What did we say? We said, well, we're going to test some of these areas. And indeed, we are testing them. It'll be interesting to see if in the coming days that we check this little level here at about the 43.10. That is probably on deck at some point. Then maybe another goal will be the 42.64, which is our 50% line. It's already served as support before. Will it serve as support again? We shall see. Let's go to the linear regression. Linear regression, y'all, is just flat now. It is literally as flat as a pancake. And volume, how's volume doing? Volume was up there a little bit, but not as much as the previous 2 down days. So we'll see what volume does today. It is elevated now, so it probably will overtake this volume bar, which will mean that it is picking up a little bit, and there may be more downside to go. But it really doesn't matter, does it? Because here is our portfolio, and let's see how we're doing today. We are at 39,093. Is that right? That didn't look right. I think it should be less than that, but we'll see. 39,093. Let's see what that looks like. 39,093. Yeah, it's down a little bit. 39,093. Let's put that in. 39. No Rico today. Rico and the band are having a vacation today, no doubt. 10/18/23. 18/23. So we're down a little bit there. And let's see what our Greeks and ratios are in this little account. We are at 103.77. So let's see that 103.77. Our deltas didn't change much. 103.77, but our theta went down significantly. We're at 19 here. But I love where my theta's at 0.2. That is perfect theta, right where I want to be. Buying power usage is probably a little steep at 22.4. 22.4. We are at 57%. Okay, so I think we're fine here. I don't think there's anything really to do. I like where our theta is. Our deltas are a little elevated, but I'm not going to sell a call today. And it says we only need negative 44 deltas to be right in line. So we are perfect, y'all. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do. Let's go to the other account, see if it's as easy as this. We'll go to the Crimson account. Crimson. Over here, we are at net lit is at 24,433. 24,433. So we're down a little bit here, 24,433, 24,443, down a bit, and it's the 18th. Hard to believe we'll be trick-or-treating before you know it. Hope everyone's got their outfits ready. I'm going to dress up as, I don't know, probably, I used to dress up, I dressed up as a Target shopper a couple years ago. Now, that did not go over well with my kids. So we are at a 102.50, 102.50. 102.50. Beautiful. Oh, both accounts are just gorgeous on my theta. That's right where I want to be at the 0.2 level. VIX is at 19, and our buying power usage is at 13, say 13.6. All right, 13.6, so we're at 55%. Let's see if any of our trades say that they need to be closed. Indeed, it does, but why would you close them at this point if we are, at a point of loving where our theta is? I don't think there's anything to do here. Let's look and see if any of those positions are challenged. Show groups. Let's see, our naked puts, option deltas are at 13. Let's get them sorted here. Here we go. Option deltas at 16, 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 4, baby. Yeah, nothing to do here. Nothing to do here at all. I mean, we're not going to do anything until those get to 30 delta. Now, might you close something for a profit? Do we have anything as a profit? Apparently not. Well, we got one that's 12%. No, it's nothing to do. Just a slow day, y'all. Just a slow day. So down a little bit on the day, but our positions are perfectly safe. Just let theta work. Nothing to do. All right, guys, that's it. I wish there were more, other than me giving you a homework assignment for you to go and watch the Tasty Live episodes of the Liz and Jenny Show today with Tony from Mexico. That is your assignment. And other than that, I will see y'all tomorrow.